Okay, guys, welcome back to Master Tutorial. I hope you enjoyed my new camera because I got a new phone yesterday. So I found Series 37 at my local Target by my house. At Toro Loco, guys. So it's Dragon, the Ghost Crew, and then Gravedigger Grandma, the Swedish Fish Megalodon, which I want to get. Overboard, Horsepower, Zombie, Salvager, and Monster Mutt. There you guys. Real Trucks, Real Action, Monster Jam. I love the yellow on this. Look how clear this camera looks. When I'm unboxing, the letters are white actually, which is nice. New color. They even redesigned Toro Loco's body, by the way. I don't know if you guys saw it. Sorry. Ooh, nice. There's Toro Loco with the green. It's highlighter yellow, and then yellow roll cage, orange chassis. Toro Loco with orange horns, blue flames in the front. With the nose ring, it's like a silver. Not silver, but the color. Toro Loco. The back says monsterjam.com. Really nice. I like this truck a lot. So there you guys have one more to go. Peace out.